Hello, this is the demo for SBDB supplier side. This is the sign-in screen where we can sign in as a supplier. First, we enter our username and then our password and click sign in. Once we are signed in, we will be redirected to the dashboard page where we can see reports and charts for orders, sales, customers, and more. On the left side, we can see the menu. There's Dashboard, SBDB and its submenu, Sales and its submenu, Reports and its submenu. To see the list of cases in SBDB, click on SBDB, then click All Cases. We will see a list of cases with number, ID, title, status, and actions like Edit, Move to Store, and Disable. We can also filter cases by number, ID, title, and status. To add a new case, click on Add New Case on the right. There are 6 sections in a case. Case info, which has required fields ID, title, and price. Tags. Tags are separated by commas. Diagnosis. Case details. Medical description, which is the section that is locked before purchase, and the files section. Allowed files are EDF, DICOM, and Nicolette. Once you're done, click Save Case. Now we wait for files to be uploaded. Once files are uploaded, we will be redirected to the case list page and we will see our newly added case. Case status now is processing. If we refresh the page, it will have changed to uploaded. We can also edit a case. For example, let's change the price and then click Save Case. And the case will be edited successfully. To move a case to store, click on Move to Store, and then click OK, and the case will be moved to store successfully.